Welcome to today's episode of our should-haves and must-haves of all the utensils and crockery in the kitchen. This is not crockery, this is cookware. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, so obviously a knife. A knife is very important. I don't need to tell you for what, but yeah. Peeling. I've got a rolling pin, and the reason for that is I make a lot of Indian food, and I think that is always helpful, especially in pasta as well as in other dishes if needed. A basic spoon, this is just one of many that I've got. If you don't have a big one, it's okay, you can just use your tablespoon, just a little bit of a bigger spoon. And then I've got a whisk. I think every kitchen needs either an egg beater or whisk, and this is usually also important for soups and things like that. Furthermore, the basic spatula and this frying utensil. I use it for quite a bit of things though. I like it. A cutting board, in my opinion, is one of the most important things. I use it for multiple purposes. I use it for rolling, I use it for cutting, I use it for... and those are about the only two things I do it for. Moving on, I've got the pans. And I think having two pans that are non-stick, it has been a lifesaver for me. So I usually make my roti or anything that is needed in the smaller one, and in the bigger one we just cook. Yeah, I think pretty basic, you cook. And then I've got saucepans. Saucepans are always important if you're trying to make a sauce or a gravy or something of that sort that needs to be into a bigger curry or a bigger dish, so to say. Then a basic mixing bowl. This is a lifesaver for every one of us. I think without a mixing bowl we cannot do doughs, we cannot do anything. Yeah. And then what I found was very, very helpful for me is having a basic starter set, a starter cookware set that sometimes comes with some of the fry pans as well as the cookware. And this comes in multiple sizes and ranges, easily bought off Amazon or some of the online platforms, I guess. And my personal lifesaver here is a pressure cooker. A pressure cooker, I know it sounds quite difficult to use and sometimes even stressful, but this is my lifesaver, especially when you're coming home from a tired day and you now feel like eating something, but you're not sure about what you want to eat. And then you realize, okay, now it's going to take me so long to boil something, therefore I just go and I put all my ingredients into the pressure cooker, and within 15 to 20 minutes most of my dishes are done. Lastly, I've got the colander. I think a colander is also one of the essentials in a kitchen. This being for draining out, for washing, for I think you can use it for multiple purposes in the kitchen. Stay tuned for our next video where I'll go through the spices and ingredients that I use in my kitchen.